2018 Honda Accord Sedan. With less than 59,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. You'll also love how it combines comfort and convenience with its cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, satellite radio, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, wood grain trim, backup camera, memory seat. Find your dream car and drive it home today.